Hello guys, this is another KDF channel video. Today, as you can see, I'm working on my personal Prius. This is 2008, and you know these cars are known for very bad quality of the vents. This is the plastic and they break so easy. It's crazy. Look at this. The quality it's horrible. But this video is not because of the vents, it's because of this here that I know it's a very common problem on Prius. You got this dashboard bent upwards, and I'm pretty sure it's a problem because of the heat and it bends the dashboard. So I'm gonna give you a simple fix, super fast, and it's gonna make your Prius look nice again. Because if you're trying to sell your Prius or you don't like this looking like that, so basically you have to open here and you have two bolts right there. Well, first of all, you have these tabs covering the bolts. You gotta remove these tabs, and then you have these bolts. So you remove the two bolts and then it's easy to pull it out. I'll do it with one hand so you can see. You got one here, another one here, and boom, there you go. It's out of the way, and you can see the deflection right here. So this is the problem. So what I'll do is I'll open a little hole here and another hole here, and I'll fix it with a zip tie, and then you'll see the result. The good thing is that cover it hides the zip tie, so nobody is gonna notice. So let me do this and I'll get back to you. So as you can see, the zip tie is already there. What I did is, you can do this two ways. I mean, you can use us with a drill. You can make two drills, or you can use what I did is I used a torch with this, and then I did the two holes. After I tied the zip tie, and as you can see, it's flat again. There you go guys, this is the final result. As you can see, it's looking flush again. It's not looking bent like before, and it was a pretty simple fix. I actually took advantage that I'm removing all the trims and the bends because I'm making my Prius looking better, and at the same time I fixed that. As you can see, there's no way to tell that I used a zip tie. I don't know if you can tell on this side. I don't think you can see it either. So there you go. Thank you for watching. If you like these videos, please don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.